Hi guys, and welcome back to another video, and today we're going to see how far these Nerf guns can go.
That one and that one.
These are basically the only two that work, or my mom's going to come out with another one that has batteries in it.
Alright, I put new batteries in it. I don't know if it works, but I did it.
Okay, woo!
Let me know if it works.
Okay, there's some guns. Alright, so first we're obviously going to do this AR.
I thought that was a scar.
Yeah, it's a scar. What the heck? This is not working.
It might not have any bullets in it.
It's supposed to go. Yep, this gun's trash.
Okay.
So it still needs two guns. So first of all, it's this one. This one goes. Okay.
Let's retry that.
Yes.
There's a bullet.
That went to the other yard.
I didn't record that.
Right?
Okay.
Okay, let's see how far this one can go. Oh! Right there. That's good. Okay. Now, we have this one.
The gun that I used.
Yes.
But it didn't go that.
Right?
What?
Oh! That's on the
It went farther. It went farther. Yes.
We're gonna retry both of them.
I'm not getting that bullet.
Yep, there's time.
I'm not getting that bullet.
So literally time.
No. I saw it. It was farther.
We're doing it again. Either way.
Okay. Okay, here are bullets. I get to use this one now.
Okay.
Because I'm... Okay. I don't care if you see my lap. It's not that funny. If you see my lap, just need... You better upload these videos after I come home. I go home.
I will.
Thank you.
Say 3, 2, 1 or something.
Welcome to another video, and today we're to be playing some
Nerf gun
Wars.
So, this is our backyard, and Todd's gonna be recording.
Oh!
Todd's gonna be recording. Or not.
Showing my face.
Oh, okay. Well, that's why you're gonna be recording.
Well, you had to say my name. Now they know me from another world. Can you help me set this up?
No, you need to hold it so that it's closer. That's broken. The stand. Yeah, it's broken. It's broken, Kellen.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is. You don't take that off. It's broken.
Wait, how am I? Okay, should we start the video?